Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for CoinStats. To sign up for CoinStats, first of all, open the CoinStats application from your mobile device. If you don't have the app downloaded yet, you will first need to download from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Once you open up the app, click on the Get Started button to start with the sign up process. Select what you are trying to do with the platform from the list. On the next page, select your crypto portfolio target value and click on Confirm and Connect Portfolio at the bottom. Select a portfolio and connect to it from the options. You can also do this later by tapping the Later button at the top right corner. Select your favorite coins that you'd like to add onto your dashboard and click on Track button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to get to the main wallet interface. From the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right and click on Sign Up at the top right once again. Now, enter a valid email address and create a password on the next page in order to complete your sign up process. You can also continue with a wallet. Tap on Continue with Wallet and select a wallet such as Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and so on, and follow through the instructions. If you want to sign up quicker without having to enter the details, you can tap on one of these social icons at the bottom, such as Facebook, Twitter, Apple, or Google, and follow through the instruction, sign in with your social accounts so that you can create an easy account without having to enter your email and password. But in this video, I'm going to use the email and password option. Type in a valid email and password in the first two tabs, and finally tap Sign Up. Now, once you end up in this page, CoinStats will send you a confirmation email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and make sure to open up the same email that you just registered with. You'll receive a verification email from CoinStat. Tap it open and tap on Verify Email. Select one of the web browsers from the list and your email will be verified. Once the email is verified, return back to the CoinStats app, and that's how you complete your sign up. You can now start tracking your cryptocurrency portfolio. But in order to do that, you'll need to connect your wallets in exchange. You can do this by using API keys for supported exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and more. CoinStat offers both free and paid plans with additional features such as advanced analytics, more exchange connections, and priority customer support on the premium version. You can also subscribe to premium version for CoinStats so that you can get all these benefits. And there you have it. That is how you create a new account or sign up for CoinStats. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.